Hello ladies and gentlemen to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm gonna show what I found at the thrift store, and it's so crazy. Everything's 50% off. You know, everything's a good deal. All right, everything that I got was a good deal, and I swear I found so many great things, but there were so many other great things I could have gotten that I didn't get, and that got me stressed. But it's still a banger. And in one store I lost $1,000. $1,000. You know what I could do with $1,000? Buy shorty a at least Lamborghini, tripping. But it's crazy, alright? Everything is crazy, and I hope you guys enjoy. And if you do, please hit that like button and comment whatever you want. To be honest, a question, just a random comment, please. And if you enjoy, please share with your friends and family. So yeah, let's go to the video. Shit. Going to Thrift Giant. 50% off day today. Hopefully find something good, and if we don't, damn. It is.
Los dos sí son juntos. ¿Este también? Sí.
Oye, ahorita vengo por esto porque no va a poder.
Ok, ahora bien, está bien. Ahí deja en su carrito de
No.
Pero ahí le puede poner de otro que no te da de cada.
No mistakes, but I might. It's like a Got Games G10 all-in-one system, but it's old, so I might not get it. It's weird. They want 130 for it. Let's see.
Lo voy a dejar aquí porque está con uno con la tentación del 50 ya también.
No, voy a hacer.
Oh, no, sí, lo tengo pagado. Ya se lo dejo pagado.
Gracias, señora.
Did I have anything on my phone? I don't work here, but it looks cracked.
Oh, it's great.
Yeah, from here.
What about that one?
129. I don't know. I don't see power. Dang, there's a whole monitor. Now let us down. Park. I don't know if this works. Dang, I might buy this just for me. What is a projector? I just sold a projector. Oh shit. It worked. There is like a lot of dust inside. It smells weird.
Ya pagado ya. Ya valió. Dígame. ¿Cómo va esta ya? Ya le digo, se quita el momento. 18 con.
¿Me puedes? ¿Me puedes pasar ese? Ya está. Gracias. Whoa. What is this? For how much? 15. Northern Garland. Soaking 3. Oh no. $100.
Quiero calar este. Dígame.
Pero no alcanza el fondo.
Allá, mire.
Aquí
Solo la
está.
pala también.
Aquí está, ¿verdad?
Sí. Oh, ahí.
Gracias. Gracias. ¿Por qué frío es caliente?
No sé.
Dice 40.89. A ver cuánto vale.
98.
40.89. Dice 98.
Es frío.
49.34.
I'm gonna get a projector, a Roomba, a massage gun. Not a massage. It just helps you with the guns, main muscles, and Nintendo something game.
¿Qué piensa usted?
Sí. New store. Let's go. 50% off. Everything. I found this. It's a case. It's an automatic window watch collecting thing. You put your watches in here, and then it's just for display. The key is right here, and some other items are up here. I don't know if I should get it. Matter of fact, I just put my watch, my Apple Watch, put that hole in there. Boom. Something in there. Pardon. And then I found these shoes. I might get them for me. Hey guys, I couldn't record because my camera's about to die, but a little lady brought some new stuff. I got some ones, some shoes, some fours, I don't know, some Jordans, Xbox 360 with the Connect, and I just found out this is for watch collectors, where you put your watches in the black stuff in there. So that's all I'm gonna get, and some tennis balls. Nah, matter of fact, I don't need them. But yeah, good haul, good shit. In total, all this should be, let's say, $60 because of the Xbox 360. But really good, but really good stuff. And lastly, my sister got this item. It's for your water, and surprisingly, it goes for like $1,000. And she's gonna get it for $30. The price is like right there. And it's 50% off. Pretty nice. I'm not getting it though. She just put it in my cart. It be your own people sometimes. My sister found a water system liquidation thing that's worth more than $1,000. And all those listings that I showed, most of them I think, were bids. And you know, in bids, sometimes they're the lowest that sell. And if you just put them as buy now, some of them go for $3,000. And that's crazy. And then she even told me to, hey yo, Jose, don't pick that one up. I'm picking that up. Or like, if you get that, get it for me. I'm like, I didn't say nothing. I said, fuck it. This is my sister. I trust her. I mean, she already called it what she wanted. So I was like, okay, I'll leave it there. And then I grabbed some great items with Xbox 360. I mean, it wasn't that great. It's alright. But I didn't know what she was doing. Your own family be snaking you sometimes. Now I was like, I'm happy that she found that item. Oh, she grabbed that like a fucking, I'm not gonna say a crazy lady, but she was going crazy. And I respect that. And I bet my sister's gonna say something about me, about this video. But Don't matter. I'm happy that she grabbed the bag. You know what I'm saying? $1,000. My sister gonna get a Lamborghini when I see her, but at least for a minute. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy, and if you did, please hit that thumbs up button and comment whatever you want, and any questions I might answer. And remember that monitor I just got from the first store? Boy, using it right now, homie. Look at that. Shit, fuck the $1,000. I'm keeping the hoe. You know what I'm saying? Oh, shorty look nice on me. The hub in 4K. Well, I'm playing. But damn, shorty look nice. Shorty look nice with them tight yoga pants. But yes, I hope you guys enjoy, and peace out.